update the password on the UMS. So that it will show online green. So online, this one status, you will be able to completely do the remote control or configuration of those devices. Okay, so here, so after you click the device on this part here, you just simply click this, and after that, it will show you in this page. So this one have the function area. So it will list the most common functions for the device. You can do login, you can do factory reset. So this login device, you can go to its web GUI remotely. You can it's just like accessing the device and do the complete configuration of that. Then you can also do the restart. You can compare the configurations and you can have the outgoing call status. And of course, you can see the alarms. The second part here is for the information area. So this area will list, I think, most of the IP addresses and the version information. So as you can see here, the IP addresses and the version informations on the lower part of the table. Then in this part here is the configuration area. So yeah, so you can do some of the functions that the most common functions that you can do the configuration. So using the UMS. So in this side, in this part here, I'm accessing the VIP gateway. I'll be able to configure the FXS, FXO, the SIP, and the routing configuration page, digit map. You can also define the telnet and SSH credentials, and of course the configuration packages. You can see that from this area, and you can have the backup history. Of course, you can get the log as well. So let me show you how it is done. So go to configure page, then you'll be able to select this. So in this part, I'm going to register FXS port RGW gateway to as IP extension to the Rex IPPBX OM50G. So I need to click on the OM50G and see the IP extension here. So I want to use 112, 113, and 114. So I can click this one and see the credentials because I'll be needing this to configure on the RGW gateway. So 113 is these are the credentials. So you can set this and you can see the of course the password, and I need this IP address. I need to use this to register on the server on the Rex IGB gateway. So MX60, this is my RGW. Then go to SIP part and input the register server, the IP address of our IPPBX. And click save. And after that, go to the FXS port and I need to edit. So I use the extension 1112. Yeah, this name is the same. And click this to enable the registration. And the password is 123445. Yeah. So then click save. Okay, so you can see here that modified successfully and the status is success, register success. Next, I will configure the extension 113. 113, yeah, same, 113. Then enable the registration, username is 1113. Then the password is 123446. Then click save. So I should expect that the same procedure will happen, that register success, yeah, status. Okay. Last is 1114. Yeah, number is, yeah, 1114. This one is 1114. Yeah, this one is 114 and the IP is 123447. Then click save. Okay, so here those three FXS port has been registered successfully to my this one will be the IP extensions on my IPPBX. So let's see on the status of my OM50G if those extensions are online. Okay, there you go. So those IP, yeah, those extension numbers are already online. So we do have the remote configurations for our RGW registered to our OM50 RGW Rex IPPBX. So let's proceed with some of the task functions. So here you can select the task properties, a specific device. So I can define the task. Then, yeah, you can define periodic tasks. Say, for example, from Monday to Sunday, or you can set the per hour in the periodic 24-hour period. Single task is you can select the time. So you can define the description. Then you can select the RG, the devices. So once you select the series, so it will show here all the RGW. So in my part here, so I need to configure some of the parameters of this specific MAC with this MAC address on my RGW8. So once you select this one, the MAC address, the correct MAC address will be shown here. Then you can define, configure the parameters you wish to define. So here, I say, for example, I need to define the gateway IP address. So I need to click here. Okay. So now you can also back up the configuration packages. So go to device, configure, then go to the configuration packages. Here you can upload and back up the configuration packages. So in this device, the RGW8, these are the backup configuration. So anyway, if you're the admin, you can determine which configuration that you can do the recovery if you wish to recover those back configurations. And of course, you can see also the operator that is being trying to access and has been trying to do import, no, download the configuration files on the RGW8. Then more on the backup configuration for multiple devices. Just simply go to task, and in task, I need to define if it's single task. So here, for example, I use a single task. Then I need to back up the RGW8 and RGW48. Then a specific time. Then, yes, I need to select which series. Then it will be shown on this side here. So I need to select those devices. After selecting that, it will show the device MAC in this side here. So once the time, yeah, once in this time here is, I mean, the operation time to back up the configurations, all of these devices, all of those configuration file will be downloaded and have this on the configuration pages of your device. Okay, so if you want to upgrade the devices, go to device upgrade, and you can select by manually automatic upgrades, and you can also see the upgrade history, and you can do the statistics. So let me show you how to upload the packages using the online upgrade. So you can go to manage upgrade package, then you can click new. So after that, you can upgrade the devices manually. So by the way, I want to make sure that first is to upload those upgrade packages on the UMS. So you can upload as many as you want, right? So you can upload those one, having those versions. You can download these firmware versions in our website as well. So you can download those current versions that we have released. Then you can import to your UMS. Then of course, you can select, you can do the task, you can create the task. So I want to upgrade those RGW8 to this version 371. So on this certain time, okay, I need to select the model. Then, of course, here you can upgrade, select the correct packages. So once you have uploaded those upgrade packages, so you have the options to select the correct one. So then you make sure that this is the correct MAC address because there are so many devices on system. So yeah, just verify that and click upgrade. So now, if after the upgrade task is created, it will be displayed on the device upgrade. So you can define to this page, and you can see the status of your upgrade. So yeah, basically here the creation it was created on 122 and it should have the operation of 222. So I'm having these screenshots before this time, so that's why the operation result is still 0%. So yeah, this will show you also the result here is specific results, and you can also you can edit that if you want. You don't want to upgrade the device, you can cancel that anytime. Now, if you want to upgrade automatic upgrade, so you can go to device configure page, then select the device name, then enable this one. So just simply enable this one. Then go to the device upgrade. Then you can also you can select the upgrade packages, the correct upgrade packages on and with the specific task at hand. So it will also show you the current status as well. So if you want to collect the device logs, so go to device configure page, then go to this page one, the log, and you can download the current log. So you can define the different log level, and you can download those logs. You can get those logs anytime you want. Of course, if you want to collect multiple devices, the logs from the multiple devices, just simply create task. Yeah, and what type? You can download the log. You can make a description for that one for all the RGW8 and RGW48 logs. Then just set the operation time and set the correct devices that you wish to download. Of course, the status can be also seen on this one here. So it needs to define as well. Okay.